Manufacturing X predominantly is an initiative that drives digitalization for the manufacturing industries in order to improve sustainability, resilience, and competitiveness. And under this initiative, there's a number of projects which actually implement artifacts, software artifacts. There is Catena X, which focuses on horizontal processes in the automotive industry. A new program coming online is Factory X. Factory X takes the horizontal aspects from Catena and adds the vertical shop floor integration that the industrial manufacturers need. But there's other projects starting as well. Aerospace X for the aerospace industry, semiconductor for obviously the high-tech industry, and other initiatives, other projects under the umbrella of Manufacturing X. Now, why do we need this? We need Manufacturing X and the underlying data exchange principles because digitalization so far has run into a scaling problem. Initiatives that have been successful in the POC stage, in a small project stage, have not scaled beyond that POC because the trust to share data is missing. And Manufacturing X is exactly focusing on creating that trust in data sharing. So this is why Manufacturing X, if you will, is the capstone of all the Industry 4 initiatives that we've been driving for the last 10 years. The Open Industry 4 Alliance plays two crucial roles in the endeavor. First of all, the OI4 is a consortial partner for Factory X at the very beginning. So we're helping to define what the project delivers, the content, the use cases, the outcome. That's a good thing. But we're also one of the multiplicators at the end of the process. When all these software artifacts become available and when companies start using them, then the OI4 implementation GmbH will be there to help companies adopt and use the software, the services, and the applications that come out of Manufacturing X.